Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. Today, version 4.6.3 of the Premiere plugin was released. It has an update that supports the directory builder. The new feature is the ability to use the text if blank attribute on the directory builder of the Power add-on. So when I use that feature, I can now specify what the text will say for any locations that do not have text to be displayed. For example, in this case, a state. We have two locations that are not in the United States. They don't have a state set, and we can now set a placeholder text instead of just showing a blank line here for those locations. So the other thing that we've done is we've updated the heartbeat, and rather than load everything into memory from the plugin, whenever we're in this admin panel, every 30 seconds a WordPress heartbeat runs. None of our plugins do anything with the heartbeat, so we don't load memory. We don't read disk. We don't do anything special. We just say, hey, our plugin's here, we're registered, and then we exit before we load all the overhead. So that's something that we started with the Premiere plugin to improve performance on all websites for all users that are in the admin panel or even your front-end users. And we've ported that to all the 463 Store Locator Plus add-ons. It works very well, and it keeps a lot of excess overhead from being run on your server every 30 seconds. Hopefully we see other plugins do that. Some other things that you're seeing in Store Locator Plus will start taking more advantage of with future Premiere plugins, like the sidebar for showing information over here. We're going to start doing some special features that take advantage of the space that we brought over from my Store Locator Plus. And we're going to do things like show the dynamic map markers over here on the sidebar. We're going to show you where your locations are. Other elements like that are going to be interactive dynamic elements. Thinking about doing inline editing over there for your locations so you can edit them live on the screen here and here. Those are all going to be exclusive to the Premiere plugin for Premiere subscription holders. So if you're interested in some of those features, please keep your Premiere subscription active, and we're going to do our best to get those features in there, launching some new features every month as we have been for the past 2 years for Premiere subscription holders. If you have a suggestion and you're a Premiere subscription holder, something you want to see in the plugin, please contact us. Go to the Slack channel. We have a live Slack channel available for all Premiere subscribers. If you don't have access to our Slack channel, please let us know, and we'll get you on here, and you can communicate with myself as well as support in real time. Tell us what feature it is you'd like to see in a future version of Store Locator Plus and the Premiere plugin. You can also reach us in the forums and also via email. As always, our Premiere subscribers get priority support. We try to answer your questions first, answer them as quickly as we can, and we also try to take in your feature requests, build them into the product. Thank you for supporting Store Locator Plus, and thank you for your subscription to the Premiere program.